IT is not the thing we have created, but IT is the thing we are living. IT, information technology, the ask of time. IT, the demand of future. So hello everyone, my name is Priyansh Sagar and today we are celebrating the IT Professionals Week. In this era where jobs in every sector are diminishing, IT is the only sector which is creating a boom in jobs and hence a boon for human civilization. And here comes the importance of IT professional. So for that I would like to take help from Ritu. Ritu, could you please help me?
Yeah, sure. Why not? They help us to increase connectivity throughout the world as we all are connected through internet. They derive out some important innovations. For example, the applications we are using today are given by them only. They help us to increase creativity as they provide individuals chance to show their expertise and knowledge. Now, I would like to request Bhumi to tell you about the scope of IT jobs.
Sure, Ritu. The IT industry has impetuous employment for technical and non-technical graduates and has been generating huge foreign exchange inflow for India. So if you're thinking to become an IT professional, let me tell you some best IT jobs. Number 1, application programmer. Number 2, database administrator. Or you can become information security coordinator, or also you can also work as network security expert. Now Ria, could you please tell me what IT professional do?
Yes, Bhumi, sure. I will figure out that what the IT professionals do. They work with the computer system, hardware, software, and solve the business problem and keep their business running smoothly. Also, they analyze the systems and also provide the technical support. Except these roles, they play the specific roles in the troubleshooting, database administrator, deployment, and all.
IT is like that corner of society which is very important but not known till yet. So let us devote one day to our IT professionals, which is the 19th of September this year, to celebrate our IT professionals. So happy IT Professional Day to you all. Thank you.